हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योर बॉलीवुड स्पाई यानी कि आरजे दिव्य सुगम। और आज मेरे साथ मौजूद है कलकत्ता टाइम्स फ्रेश फेस अवार्ड विनर, बंगाली एंड तेलुगु सिनेमा में कई शानदार रोल्स एंड साथ ही टीवी पर अच्छा काम करने के साथ साथ हैज नाउ बिकम स्टार फाइंड ऑफ लॉकडाउन इन द ओटीटी जोन फॉर आश्रम एंड बैंडिट बंदिश बैंडिट्स, दैट त्रिदा चौधरी। हाय, हाउ आर यू?
Hi
एंड
guys.
सबसे
Thanks for the
पहले
lovely introduction.
बट यू डिजर्व दैट एंड सुपर कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर बैक टू बैक सक्सेस यार। दोनों के दोनों मतलब सुपर हिट हो गए। कैसा लग रहा है?
It is a very crazy feeling because क्या होता है साल में शायद एक फिल्म रिलीज हो या दो फिल्म रिलीज हो. The chances are one might not be as well taken critically. But it's not just two. Let me tell you three because even Chartsheet gave me a
करेक्ट।
lot of recognition. So 2020 मेरे लिए so far is not bad. I mean, I know we are going through a crisis, but if I look at it overall, this is
हम्म।
the biggest boost anybody can get in career, which is appreciation, genuine appreciation for the work that I have done and I'm doing.
आश्रम की बात करेंगे तो काफी ग्रैंड सेटअप एंड काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है आपका। भले शुरू होता है एक छोटे से, बट इट गोज ऑन और अब तो सीजन या पार्ट 2 की बात करेंगे तो उसपे तो और इम्पोर्टेंट लग रहा है। तो कैसा लगा ये और कैसा था ये इसका सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस?
Selection process, अगर मैं सच्ची आपको बताऊं, you will laugh. So sir has an assistant director called Madhvi,
हम्म।
almost associate. So Madhvi और मैं ऐसे grocery shopping में मिले Nature's Basket
ओ।
में. I'm not joking. This is not any advertisement for anything. I'm just generally telling you. हम ऐसे ही मिले and she's like, Tridha, you've come back to Bombay. रुको रुको रुको, मुझे काम है तुमसे. I said, but okay, what? She's like, Shruti Mahajan will call you. I said, okay, fine. That's all she said, and that ended up getting me Babita. So one grocery shopping got me Ashram.
और उसके रोल के लिए ये जो आपने इसके पहले बहुत सारे आपने बंगाली और तेलुगु फिल्म्स भी की है, तमिल भी आपने किया हुआ है, बट ये जो दोनों के दोनों सीरीज में यू हैड दिस ट्रेडिशनल अंदाज में आप दिखाई देती और लोगों को ये अंदाज, ये रूप बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आया। तो कोई
Right.
खास प्रिपरेशंस फॉर दीज रोल्स?
You're particularly asking for Bandish and Ashram, right?
यस
Huh.
यस,
In
दोनों
this,
में यू हैड दिस ट्रेडिशनल गर्ल का, एक में
yes,
आप
yes,
वैसे।
yes. I think preparation wise for Bandish, so I had to do Riyaz because I play a singer of profession.
करेक्ट।
तो properly जैसे you can't fake act. तो आपको actually गाना होता है. When I had the lapel is the
हम्म।
mic you use to transmit audio. The lapel के through से Anand sir, Anand Tiwari, the director for Bandish, told me, Juda, gao, properly gao. I can't have you not sing it. So that was it. Singing was my main forte. क्योंकि उसमें it's not about looking good or not. काम तो काम है. As an actor, you have to adapt. But जो main चीज जो मुझे करना था is I had to really sing. रियाज करना था मुझे. Work on my vocal thing. For
हम्म।
Ashram also, Prakash sir ने मुझे कहा कि त्रिधा, your voice कभी कभार थोड़ा सा धीम, like falls. And in this case, Babita's character is so mature. I needed to be very calm and composed. You
या
can't be Tridha who's bubbly and happy-go-lucky, the girl next door. Cut that down. You have to feel the pain कि जो एक ऐसी औरत, like what she can go through.
बट अपने आप को इस इन दोनों रूप में जब आपने देखा, यू हैव दिस इंस्टाग्राम पे आपकी एक अलग इमेज है, आपकी एक फैन फॉलोइंग है, ह्यूज फैन फॉलोइंग है, बट यहाँ पे जब इनफैक्ट मैंने भी बंदिश में पहली बार आपको देखा, आई वाज लाइक अरे ये बहुत डिफरेंट लग रही है।
Yes.
एंड यहाँ पे भी अगेन टोटली डिफरेंट था। तो आपने आपको जब आपने देखा तो कैसा लगा?
To be honest, मैंने अभी तक except for the part जो मैंने लटुलजी that song and
ओके।
आश्रम में that one scene last में जो आता है जहाँ पे I really feel bad कि सती के साथ जो
या
होता है, ये दोनों सीन को छोड़ के I've not yet watched it at length. I'm still four episodes I've completed of Ashram and everybody's done fabulous. But my point being, just repeat the question. I got a little haywire.
दैट अपने आप को जो इन दोनों
तो
कैरेक्टर्स में
देखा
देखा।
exactly. My point is कि even it was difficult for me to understand because I was simultaneously shooting. So it was very difficult for me because simultaneously जब आप shoot कर रहे हो for 2-3 projects,
हम्म।
it's difficult. Once I'm Babita, once I'm Antara, once I'm Sandhya. Thankfully Bandish का हो चुका था like early half of last year,
ओके।
and most important, I had to put on weight for all the characters because right now this is how I am. This is how
या
Tridhar,
यू हैड लॉस्ट वेट।
this is how I always was. Only for Babita's character and chart sheet, I had to put on to look the part. तो
हम्म।
mentally बहुत I was stressed. So when I saw लोगों ने कहा कि नहीं नहीं, it suited the character and you did what you had to do for the character. तो वो मुझे क्रिटिसिज्म जब नहीं मिला, उसके लिए मुझे अप्रिसिएशन मिला, दैट इज व्हेन आई फेल्ट सैटिस्फाइड।
एक नाइवनेस लेकर आते हैं आप अपने ये दोनों कैरेक्टर्स की बात करेंगे तो एक नाइवनेस लेकर आइए, स्पेशली ये स्माइल के साथ। और जो आपने अगेन लेकिन जो कैरेक्टर्स थे दे वर बोल्ड कैरेक्टर्स विद सम सेंशुअस लव मेकिंग सीन्स आल्सो। तो हाउ डिड यू बैलेंस दैट? वो एक नाइवनेस रखना है, ये भी रखना है। और आई डोंट नो, मतलब अभी इस पार्ट 2 के लिए तो बहुत कुछ ऐसे लग रहा है, बहुत द पेंडोरा's बॉक्स इज गोइंग टू ओपन अप और काफी कुछ देखने मिलने वाला है।
A little thing about OTT platform, like many people ask, see, gone is the era where 1960s में जैसे you would show kissing scene or something. तो अभी yes, a good director should not exploit it or misuse
Correct.
that content. उसको अगर आप सही ढंग से दिखाएंगे तो ठीक होगा. जैसे today something as bad as a rape scene. Let me talk about that. कितने victims होते हैं physical abuse, emotional abuse के, कितने तरह के abuse होते हैं. Not a stranger doing that to another stranger, but a husband can do that to a wife. My point being, बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. मैं रो पड़ी थी when I was shooting after this thing. तो mentally मुझे ऐसा होना होता है कि that's my character. I have to shake it off. हो गया scene, हो गया. Aesthetically हमने shoot किया. There are pillows kept. There's a supervisor on set. A person as prestigious as Bobby Deol, he is married, so he wouldn't obviously do something for cheap thrill.
Correct.
It's a necessity thing. I mean, the script demanded. We had to have a very heavy heart. I was very scared. Very, very, very scared. Till date, I'm very nervous. जहाँ पे कभी कभार ऐसे होता है, लोग गलत sites पे डाल देते हैं. उनको समझ में नहीं आता है कि we are portraying what happens in the society today. आप कैसे इसको इतनी गंदी तरह से उसको आप तरह से आप उसको दिखा रहे हो रहा है. अभी people are more open and understanding. It's an act, aesthetically shot, and the actors were acting, not really involved in that.
Also, it's a demand of the script. यहाँ पे as you mentioned कि कौन director कर रहा है direct, वो बहुत important होता है. Like if you remove this scene from Ashram, तो वो जो character Bobby Deol का character का वो revelation होता ही नहीं था.
But yeah, I mean, I still feel. I mean, this is just me. I'm not talking about Prakash sir. All respect to Sir, MX, everything. I still feel कि maybe people should try to be a little more, accepting कि yes, the brutality had to be shown that way. The brutality had to be shown. Honestly, I'm telling you, I went into a little bad mental space because I would get memes and links ki aisa ho raha hai, waisa ho raha hai. Kab tak? So okay, 1-2 days I was very down, upset, probably like how would I present this to my father and all of that. Then मैंने अपने आप को तसल्ली दिया कि like this is something which I did. Yeah, maybe in the future I probably might choose things differently or negotiate with my director that, so maybe till this level we can just tone it down or not do this, not do that. But like I said, I played my part and that's all I have to say. Yeah.
But you rightly said about this thing, but कुछ OTT platforms भी ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं थे. एक जमाना था जब सिर्फ इसी पे फोकस किया जाता था. तो आई एम श्योर इसके बाद आपको बहुत सारे इस तरह के रोल्स ऑफर भी आए होंगे कि मैम एक ऐसा सीन है, ऐसे ये है, ये सीरीज है. So how tough was it for you to say no?
Not really. I mean, see, I think I believe in brand value. So something which a Prakash Jha, Anand Tiwari, or a Z5, like all these big brands are bringing to you, it's not something for cheap thrill.
Right.
Yes, means बनेंगे. I'm an actor. मुझे पता था ऐसा होने वाला है कभी ना कभी. Personal life को लेके या about whatever. But people should understand कि actual life में तो बंदी, I mean, like, is a different person. So she's doing her part. I'm getting paid to do my job. If you're sitting behind a desk and doodling something up, किसी का कुछ भी, you're criticizing people, please try to come in on like camera and do my part. See how it feels. Then you know how difficult it gets to do whatever every actor does. It's not just about bold scenes. रोने वाला scene, comedy. It's not easy to do comedy.
Bandish में your singing वाला scene, it must have been very tough for you.
It was with respect to the pressure of Nasir sir sitting on my left. Like इतने senior actors के सामने, it's like a live performance. And sir ने मुझे बोला था, श्रद्धा तू ना perform करने वाली है. I'm not going to be telling you कि अच्छा ये line मिल गया तो अभी close angle पे. You're going to perform in front of the actors. आप नहीं believe करोगे. Maybe थोड़ी देर के लिए Nasir sir exited when he was not required. Every actor supported me by sitting there in that place.
Yeah,
They
can
did not
understand.
leave. They supported me and they were there. कि चलो क्या है हम तो we are shooting. People who love
Right.
their craft know this. Yeah. I have very supportive actors. I'm not joking. Both the all most of my projects which I've done,
Hmm.
except for probably one or two way back, I think I've had wonderful people I've worked with. Yeah.
You also enjoy social media. Pe, you've been very active, and your traveling pictures are also there. It's very. Is it addiction, or and how do you deal with these trolls? ये कैसे करते आप?
I personally would say trolls. See, I think I haven't been put in negative light as such. People
Hmm.
might say, "Acha, Babita this, Babita that." Acha, dekho, like this girl is probably exposing a little about this. You have to just take it with a grain of salt and be. You can't overlook it completely. You have to face it. So how do I face it? Should I start just shutting myself down? Should I go off social media? No.
No.
I have to kind of humor and say, "Acha, theek hai. It's not for popularity, but it'll die out. It'll fade out." उनको कोई और like actress या actor, like they'll get someone with whom they'll probably have like a thing. Yeah. So I just have to wait for time to just let it fade out. That's it. My work won't stop for trolls and memes and silly things because me as a person, I'm
Hmm.
very different from who I play on screen.
And travel bug के बारे में, you are a huge travel freak.
Traveling, I'm even right now, I'm traveling. I'm making the most of it. मुझे कहीं पे भी जाना है. Of course, I'm taking precautions. I'm taking all the necessary things. But yes, I can't wait to probably go to some beach vacation right now.
Oh, that's all. I think everyone's wishing for that.
Yeah, mountains, anything, any place, wherever. I really can go. Yeah.
तो हर चीज कहीं पे ऐसा है कि ट्रेडा को कुछ भी करना है तो बड़े ग्रैंड वे में, बड़े प्रोडक्शन में ही करना है. वेब सीरीज में भी आए तो बिग बैनर्स एंड बिग वेब प्लेटफॉर्म पे आए. अब फिल्म की बात करेंगे तो अगेन इट्स अ बिग प्लेटफॉर्म. यू आर डेब्यूइंग इन हिंदी दिस ईयर, होपफुली फिंगर्स क्रॉस, या अर्ली नेक्स्ट ईयर. शमशेरा विद वायरस, रणबीर. तो ये भी बिग, मतलब वो
Did I
बड़ा
say that I'm
धमाका.
actually part of it? I don't know how this is getting out of proportion, but I won't talk about it now. But anyway, yeah.
तो हिंदी पिक्चर की बात करें, जनरल ऑल्सो, कि जो हिंदी फिल्म्स में नाउ इट्स हाई टाइम, मतलब टू सी यू ऑन बिग स्क्रीन, तो उसके
Right.
बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Like I said, see, probably this pandemic has made us realize that actors won't stop acting, creative
हम्म.
people won't stop being creative, right? So देखा जाए तो it's not about कि मुझे ऐसा चस्का है कि मुझे इस फिल्म में ही करना है, इसमें ही करना है. As long as the audience is seeing me, I'm visible, they are appreciating, they're really, really connecting with what I'm doing, I'm okay. But yes, honestly, I do want to see myself. I mean, I've worked in Telugu, regional films and all, but Hindi mein proper mainstream cinema mein, when I want to debut, yeah,
ये अब
that
तो
will be a second
हक
dream.
बनता है.
Yeah.
हक बनता है इन दोनों के बाद. आपने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि बॉलीवुड इज अ बेटर प्लेस देन टॉलीवुड.
Yeah.
जो हेडलाइंस भी काफी ये हो
You
गई थी.
mean Tollywood as in Bengali or you mean
नो, बॉलीवुड
Telugu?
एंड टॉलीवुड लिखा. आई थिंक तेलुगु सिनेमा इंडस्ट्री, और मे बी आपने उस तरह का एक कंपैरिजन, पीपल आर प्रोफेशनल्स आउट हियर इन बॉलीवुड एंड व्हाट वाज देयर. तो
Yeah.
ये जो आजकल जो हैपनिंग्स हो रहे हैं, बहुत एक एंटी बॉलीवुड के लिए, मैं नेम्स नहीं लूंगा, आई वोंट नेम पीपल, बट एक बॉलीवुड के खिलाफ बहुत कुछ ज्यादा ही एंटी हो गया है. तो उसमें एज एन न्यू कमर, एज अ आउटसाइडर, आपके व्यूज क्या है?
Tell me one profession which is easy, getting a job or going ahead with your seniors. In this case, अगर seniors producers है जो इतने सालों से है, या directors है, actors भी है, who get to choose their heroines, if I'm my drift. So I think there are agencies now, there are casting companies, there are coordinators, there are managers. It's a little more well knit, and because social media has become the new courtroom, कोई किसी का advantage इतनी आसानी से नहीं ले पा रहा है these days. So I feel blessed that being a part of this new young generation, coming from no background whatsoever to do with films and all, I feel a little safer, a lot safer. That if a choice is there, it's a choice. I don't have to go with it. And if somebody's exploiting me, mistreating me, I will not spare that person. I will expose that person and be like, if you don't like my craft, yes, you can go ahead with somebody else as per your norms. But I'm not going to just, yeah, probably go by whatever is presented to me.
So इसके बाद क्या हो रहा है प्लीज बताइए, बिकॉज आपके बहुत सारे फैंस एक्साइटेड है टू नो कि क्या कर रही है आप नेक्स्ट.
I'm doing back-to-back projects. I finished a Bengali film, which is a biopic of a legendary actor. So I'm playing actually the character. All I can say, I'm playing Sharmila Tagore. This is all.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm
Wow.
playing Sharmila Tagore. So with the whole vintage look, you can, I think, place. She's such a beautiful, marvelous lady.
Wow.
To play her part is a huge pressure. But I think I convinced the director and the team, and it's set to release probably end of this year, next year, whenever theaters open. And there's also another film in Hindi, जो कि OTT platform के लिए है. So तैयारियां अभी चालू है.
And of course the Hindi one, जो आप फिलहाल बता नहीं रही है, but fingers crossed. Thank you so much and all the best again. And we'll meet up soon once this is done.
Absolutely, we should.